Hi everyone, James here. This is the final reveal of the 1/72 scale Hasegawa Goodyear FG-1D Corsair that the Fighter Collection own, and again it's based at Duxford. The kit came together very easy, as there wasn't a lot to add. The part count was quite low. It was quick to make, and again I've added some more resin wheels which match the actual aircraft and gives it more realism. For the decals, you can't purchase the actual decal sheet for it, so I had to make some up from aftermarket decal sheets. So that's the Goodyear FG-1D Corsair reveal.